Acer Spin 5 is an excellent laptop for its price. Starting at $700, the convertible 2-in-1 notebook overflows with useful features including a modern build, stylus pen, HD touchscreen, long-lasting battery and healthy range of ports. For everything that it offers, if it were any cheaper, it'd be a no-brainer. As is, it's a great option for anyone interested in a solid middle-of-the-road laptop. But it's also not likely to catch anyone's eye or inspire great works of creativity. Australian pricing starts at $999. In the UK the price starts at £799. The Acer Spin 5 is stylishly modern. Its metal build is sleek and feels solid as a rock. On the downside, it's more than a little heavy, weighing £3.31. New 13-inch convertibles from Samsung and HP each weigh under £2.50, so that's a significant difference. It comes with an active stylus that works well for taking notes and casual drawing. Unfortunately, there's no place to store the stylus on the laptop. Though it wasn't made specifically for watching video, the Spin 5 made for a surprisingly satisfying TV alternative. Its sharp and bright screen displayed lifelike colors with wide viewing angles, and the speakers, located above the keyboard, are satisfyingly loud. Audio quality suffers at maximum volume with shrill highs, but lowering the volume helps avoid the distortion.